Ever feel like your paycheck disappears faster than a cold drink on a summer day? You blink and poof. Rent's due, bills are screaming, the fridge is empty, and your wallet echoes like a cave. But here's the twist. Some people in your exact situation are still smiling, sleeping well, and even saving money. How? What do they know that others don't? Today, I'm going to share the real-life blueprint for how to live well, even if you're on a low income. No fluff, no unrealistic advice. Just practical, proven steps to stretch every dollar and still enjoy life. And make sure you stick around, because near the end, I'll reveal one mental shift that flips the script, and once you get it, you'll never look at your money the same way again. Let's get into it. Number 1. Know exactly where every dollar goes. Let me tell you about a woman named Maria. She worked part-time at a diner, bringing home about $1,400 a month. She felt broke constantly, even though she lived in a small apartment and barely bought anything fun. Her problem? She didn't know where her money was going. So she did something powerful. She tracked every penny. For 1 month, she wrote down every single expense, even those tiny coffee runs and gas station snacks. What she found shocked her. Over $200 a month was leaking out on little things she didn't even remember buying. Most people think they need more income. What they really need is more awareness. Use a notebook. Use an app. Use sticky notes if you have to. Just know your numbers. You can't win a game if you don't know the score. Number 2. Create a budget that feels like breathing room. Let's kill the myth that budgeting means being broke and boring. A good budget isn't a prison, it's a GPS. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Start simple. Write down your total monthly income. Then subtract your fixed expenses, like rent, utilities, and basic groceries. What's left? That's your power. Give every dollar a job. Allocate some for transportation. Set aside a little for fun, even if it's just $10 a week. And if you can, slide a few dollars into savings. Even $5 a week adds up. A budget gives you freedom to breathe, not guilt to suffocate. Number 3. Win the food game without going hungry. Food is where most people overspend and don't even realize it. Eating out even twice a week can drain $100 to $200 a month easily. The secret? Cook simple meals at home. Learn 5 go-to recipes: rice and beans, stir-fry, pasta with sauce, eggs and toast, chili. Keep them cheap, quick, and tasty. Let me paint a picture. A pack of spaghetti, a jar of tomato sauce, a little garlic, and some salt costs less than $5 and can feed you for 2 to 3 days. Use store apps for discounts. Buy in bulk when possible. And always, always, make a grocery list before stepping into a store. Wandering leads to wallet damage. Number 4. Entertainment doesn't have to cost a dime. You don't need Netflix, Prime, Hulu, Disney Plus, and all the other streaming vampires draining your wallet monthly. Instead, try free local experiences. Search free events near me and watch the magic happen. Community concerts, outdoor movie nights, free museum days, and even free yoga in the park. Libraries still exist, and they're better than ever. You can check out books, movies, audio lessons, and sometimes even tools and baking pans. You don't need more money to have more fun. You just need to look in the right places. Number 5. Use every available resource. No shame allowed if you're living on a low income. There's no shame in using the tools that were made for exactly your situation. They exist to help you move forward, not keep you stuck. Use local food pantries. Look into utility assistance programs. Many cities offer discounted public transit passes if your income qualifies. If you have kids, there are free or low-cost after-school programs and lunch support. And here's a gem. The Affordable Connectivity Program can save you up to $30 a month on internet bills. That's not pocket change. That's a grocery run. Remember, using help today can mean building independence tomorrow. Number 6. Master the art of buying secondhand. There's nothing cheap about buying smart. Millionaires often shop secondhand because why not get the same product for a fraction of the price? Need a winter coat? Check your local thrift store. I once found a Columbia jacket worth $120 for just $8, and it still had the tags on. Facebook Marketplace is a gold mine. Need a bed frame? Someone's probably giving one away for free if you can pick it up. Need kitchenware? Same deal. Buying secondhand isn't just frugal. It's wise. Number 7. Set up automatic mini savings. You might be thinking, I can barely pay my bills. I can't save. But here's the trick. Automate tiny amounts. Apps like Chime or Acorns can. Round up your purchases and save the difference. Or just set up an automatic transfer of $2 a day to a savings account. That's $60 a month. It doesn't feel like much in the moment, but give it 6 months. You'll be glad you started. Even if you just save enough for one emergency, like a flat tire or a surprise medical bill, you've just bought yourself peace of mind. Number 8. Use cash to beat impulse spending. Cards are convenient. Too convenient that if you constantly overspend on snacks, fast food, or random online orders, try this. Switch to a cash-only system for that category. Withdraw $50 in cash at the start of the week for groceries or eating out. When it's gone. This method forces you to think twice. And that's the point, that it's easy to swipe. It's harder to let go of that last $10 bill. Number 9. Make extra income with skills you already have. This one's powerful. What if you could earn an extra $200 to $500 a month? Without a formal job, you don't need a degree. You need hustle.do. You love dogs? Offer pet sitting or dog walking. Know how to clean? House cleaning pays well. Good with your hands. Help neighbors with yard work, painting, or assembling furniture. Platforms like TaskRabbit or Care.com can help. Or just post in local Facebook groups. And if you're good at crafts or art, try selling on Etsy. One woman I know turned her love for homemade candles into a side business that now covers her rent. Number 10. Negotiate bills like a boss. Did you know most service providers expect you to negotiate? Whether it's your internet bill, phone plan, or car insurance, call them up and say, I found a better rate. Can you match or beat it? Often, the answer is yes. You can also remove unnecessary subscriptions, ask about hardship programs, or switch to prepaid plans. One guy I know cut his phone bill from $90 a month to just $25 and didn't notice any difference in service. Number 11. Shop the smart way at dollar stores. Dollar stores are treasure chests. If you know what to look for, skip the low-quality electronics and random cosmetics. Focus on cleaning supplies, party items, snacks, school supplies, and basic household goods. Example, why pay $3 to $5 for name-brand toothpaste when you can get a perfectly good one for $1? It's not about being cheap. It's about being clever. Number 12. Grow your mind without spending a penny. You can level up your thinking without leveling up your spending. Read books from the library. Watch educational YouTube channels. Use free online courses. Skillshare and Coursera often offer free trials or discounted plans. Learn about money, budgeting, or even freelancing. Knowledge is the best return on investment, especially when it's free. One new skill could raise your income next year. Think about that. Number 13. Don't compare. Stay the course. We live in a world where everyone posts their best moments online. Fancy vacations, new cars, fancy dinners. What you don't see? The credit card debt, the stress, the paycheck to paycheck cycle they're hiding. Comparison is a thief. You're playing a smarter, longer game. While others chase short-term thrills, you're building long-term peace. Remember, being rich isn't about what you spend. It's about what you keep. Number 14. The mindset shift that changes everything. Here's the moment that might flip your entire reality. Stop saying, I'm broke. Start saying, I'm building. Words shape mindset. Mindset shapes habits. Habits shape your life. When you switch from survival mode to builder mode, your brain starts looking for opportunities instead of problems. You stop feeling helpless and start taking small, powerful actions that build momentum. This shift from I can't to I will figure it out is the key difference between staying stuck and moving forward. So here's the final truth. Living well on a low income is absolutely possible. It's not about earning 6 figures. It's about managing what you have like it matters. Because it does. What's one thing you're going to try from today's video? Or what's your own favorite low-income life hack? I'd love to hear it in the comments. Let's swap ideas and help each other thrive.